In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to access your HubSpot dashboard. And from in there, you should be able to find right here your HubSpot. For this case, look for the conversations option. It's also available under the marketing. So for this, you can just locate it from there. So I have chosen right here my marketing email. Now for this, you can see that we have in here some templates for simple newsletter and promotion. If you want to start from scratch, you can proceed to click onto the start from scratch, and the template that we will create, we will save it as it is. So for this case, wait for this to load. In there, you can just start adding contents. For example, it's adding here our socials. Then after that, you can add some more like default modules like images, videos, and the likes. So continue adding until you have it ready right here. Now proceed to click on this plus icon in order to add some more. Just proceed to add it right here. So for example, you're done with everything. What we can do next is we can click onto this preview and test and review this as well. You can see here how it will look like. Click onto this review and click onto the preview as well. You can send it to a client, their previews, contacts, and the likes. So for this, it's already auto-save. For the setup, we can set it up as our actual email name right here and create the property for this as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.